Hello everyone, today we're going to do a full body workout inspired by the ancient and mystical Chinese practice BaDuanJin. BaDuanJin has centuries of history. It is not just exercise, it's a blend of physical movements, breath control, and meditation. I've tailored the BaDuanJin movements into a modern workout, which is beginner friendly, perfect for burning fat, toning up, and improving posture. Okay, let's dive in these ancient secrets together. First, we'll warm up with some arm circles. Keep your arms straight and lift them slightly below shoulder level, then rotate your shoulders. This will help loosen up our shoulder joints and prepare us for the exercises ahead. Today's workout includes 8 moves inspired by BaDuanJin. Each exercise is excellent for burning fat, shaping your body, and improving posture. Follow along with me and you'll see great results in no time. Alright, let's do a high knee warm-up. Point your toes, lift your knees as high as possible, and tighten your abs while exhaling deeply through your mouth. Lower your legs while inhaling through your nose. Six of the 8 BaDuanJin movements incorporate squats, so we are warming up our glutes and legs to get ready. Alright, let's start our workout. Exercise 1. Hands hold up the sky. Interlace your fingers and push your palms towards the ceiling while looking up at your hands. Squat down, ensuring your knees align with your toes. Breathe out through your mouth as you stand up and inhale through your nose as you squat down. This move works your glutes, legs, arms, and shoulders while improving your posture. Alright, let's take a break and do next exercise, drawing the bow. Raise your elbow to shoulder height before pulling back. Keep your back straight and squeeze your shoulder blades together. This exercise stretches your chest and strengthens your back. The multiple squat movements in BaDuanJin convey that we shouldn't worry about squats harming our knees. Slow squats can strengthen the muscles around the knees, enhancing their function. However, if you already have knee problems, you should be cautious with squats and consult a doctor first. Alright, done. Let's take a break and move on to the next move. Lift your arms straight up with your palm perpendicular to your forearm. Open your shoulders and breathe. Pay attention to your breathing. Inhale through your nose when squatting, and exhale through your mouth when standing up. You should feel the twist in your arm when we're doing this movement. It could improve the upper body issues like rounded shoulders. Let's perform this exercise carefully, paying attention to the details for better results. Alright, done. Let's take a short break and move on to the 4th exercise, deep squat with outward arm rotation. Rotate your palms outward and extend your arms. Engage the muscles between your shoulder blades as you move your arms back. This exercise not only slims and tones the butt and legs, but also improves upper body posture, enhancing the shoulder and neck lines for a more upright posture. let's take a break and then do a deep squat with straight arm circles. Tighten your core to stabilize your body as you circle your arms. The deeper you squat and the bigger your circles, the more challenging it is. This move enhances flexibility and corrects rounded shoulders. It's a challenging exercise, but it offers many benefits. So everyone, keep pushing. Stick with it and get this move right. Alright, let's take a break and move on to the next. This is also our third to last move. Almost done. Hang in there. When we squat, our knees should open outward, pointing toward our toes and not cave inwards. What do you think of the intensity of this workout? Are you tired now? Are you sweating? If you're feeling tired, hang in there. This move will end in a few seconds and the next two moves will be easier. Hang in there, everyone. Keep it up. Alright, the movement is done. Great job, everyone. Let's do one easier move. Bouncing on the toes. Keep your feet together and lift your heels off the ground for 3 seconds before relaxing. You can feel the vibration throughout your body. When lifting your heels off the ground, keep your ankles together to increase the ankle stability. Alright, now let's move on to the final exercise. Raise your hands to your chest, then move them behind your back and continue down to your feet. As you move your hands behind your back, keep your palms facing your body. Don't underestimate this detail. It helps twist your arms, allowing your shoulders to open up more. It also stretches the tight muscles in your shoulders, neck, and back, improving issues like rounded shoulders. In the original BaDuanJin, this is the third to last move, but I think it's an excellent full body stretch, so I've placed it last. Alright, the workout is done. Great job, everyone. Let's do one more stretch for the front thigh muscles. Stand on one leg, pull the other leg towards your glutes. Ensure the knee of the stretching leg is vertical to the ground. Don't lean forward like in the incorrect demonstration. This not only fails to stretch the front thigh muscles, but can also injure the knee. Okay, let's switch to the other side and stretch it the same way. Remember to stretch with your knees pointing towards the ground and not forward to protect your knees and enhance the stretching effect. I'm really happy to share this modified BaDuanJin workout with all of you. I hope you like it. Okay, that's the workout for today. See you in the next video. Bye.